Alright guys, good morning here. There's another job. I'll show you guys. This is the Dodge Journey. What year is this? 2015. Oh, right here. 2013 Dodge Journey. Problem with this guys is there's a tapping noise when you on the ignition here, or if you run the vehicle, tapping noise on the side. So let's see that. You can hear the tapping noise. Hear that? So that's the actuator, blending actuator. So I'll show you guys where is that blending actuator. Even if you run, it's somewhere there. So I'll show you right away. Let's take a look of this Dodge Journey. Okay, right down here, as you can see guys, this is under the glove box here. See down here, this is the blower motor, and on the top of the blower motor there's the actuator right there. Right there, that's the one making a noise. And there's another actuator. So there are three actuators in this. One down there, two down that the bottom one, and this is the one that doing a noise right now, right after the blower motor. So show you here on the ignition again, twice. You wanna hear that? See that? It's not really clear, it's dark here, but that's the one. When you open the blending, that white thing, and when the actuator moves, we're gonna open and close. See that? Try that again. Try that again. Oh, stop. Right there. See that? It's hard to see, but that's the one there. The blending actuator. Oh, I'm gonna take that off right away. Right there, the black thing. There's a motor, there's a gear inside. It's plastic, there's cheap plastic. So I'm gonna take it off. As you can see here guys, I took the glove box already. So it's easier to take this glove box. I'll just push this tab here. Also the other side. And you can drop it down and take the whole thing out. That's easy. Let's put it for now here. Oh guys, right here I put a light so that you can see clearly. So I'm gonna pull this tab here for the actuator. So I'll tab here down here. You can see that thing down there. I'm gonna pull this tab. Okay. Right here it's hard to see. See, there's a tab. Just press this tab here and pull. So I think I must take this cylinder off because it's on the way. So there are Phillips screw there. So I'm gonna take this off so that I can access the actuator. There are Phillips screw there. So guys, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver with this extension here and a 1/4-inch ratchet. So I took the one screws already here. There's another one more screw on the top. Not much room here. I have a big hand, so it's pretty tight. It's pretty tight to take this off. Let's see, I might raise that up. Okay, so I'm not gonna take this whole thing. Just one screw, and then raise it a little bit. Now I can reach the actuator now. Phillips screw. Very tight place, so just be patient. Right there. I'm loosening the top Phillips screw right there. I'll show you. That's the one. That's the actuator. that guy. This is the actuator here. So we're gonna removing this thing. Very tight. So I just raised that thing there. So it's good. So there's more room. You just it's pretty tight in this area. You just take your time. Don't break the plastic there. Okay. So right now I'm gonna unscrew it. And holding this face of the ratchet, and my left hand is turning my left hand turning it, levering it like that, so that it will turn straight. Because if you don't go straight, it will kind of won't gonna unscrew the screw. It's like that. Not much room in here. Alright guys, you can maybe use the it's hard, huh? Holy smokes, maybe I can use my finger now. Use my finger. It's loose now a bit, so I can finish it with my finger. Take the screw out. There's the screw. Phillips screw. Now I got one. So we need to take the bottom one. Holy smokes! No more room here. So I might need to. Shit. Take these wirings away. Shit. Not much room. This Dodge Journey, man. Freaking Dodge Journey. Can't put my socket in here. Might need to drop this thing. Drop this module here. What the hell? Okay, I'll figure out. Okay guys, you can see here, I think I can drop this big thing here. So there's a tab here, guys. See the tab underneath? And press this one, and we can drop this right on. Carpet. Okay, drop that a little bit. So I'm trying to drop this down. Can drop it down more. She went back. I think that's enough. I think that's enough so that I can fit the screw. That's the one there. We'll see if we can reach the ratchet now. I can barely. So there's I think there's only 2 bolts. Hopefully there's only 2 bolts, not 3. 2 screws. I mean, so one from the top, one from the bottom. Tight place, man, tight place. This one is hard. Okay, as you can see here, guys, I managed to lower this module down here. Like no, it's a box, circuit box. It's a module. So there's a like a sliding tab here. You just slide it off, slide it backward, and it will off to the bracket there. So that's good now. There's a lot of room now, so I can put my ratchet from the bottom. So let's try that. Maybe I can take this tab here, take the wirings off. Okay, right here. So I pulled the one plug out here, guys. So That's from the boxes so that you can go drop down more. So it's way wider space now, so I can pull my ratchet there. From the bottom, we can go from the bottom, and here now it can reach now way better the bottom bolt. Okay guys, finally I got it off right here. So it's gonna take a compare it to the brand new one. Show you here guys the brand new one. So here's the brand new one from Dorman. Compare that. Yeah, the only difference is the curve here. It's different a little bit, but the holes are the same. Stick this out. The holes are the same. The Dorman is a little bit curved here. Okay, let's try to put this on. See if this one works good. Oh, you see the pins. This side is the same too, same facing. So you can only put this one in one direction only. So let's go. Let's put it on. Okay, guys. So we'll see if it'll line up. Should go on one. Shit, good hard time. Okay guys, I put the Dorman in. I thought this Dorman won't fit there, but this Dorman thing, the replacement is Dorman, it doesn't the gear doesn't flush to the end of the it's just the blending pad there. So there's a like a slot there that you insert the gear of the actuator. So that Dorman, it's hard to see in the camera. I'll show you. It doesn't flush to the body. The original one, it's flush to the end. See that white there? That's the a little bit out the gear of the actuator. So let's gonna on the ignition here. Twice. It's on. Right there, it's on. So now you cannot hear the sound anymore. So I think on the fan.